For over a decade, we've been building AI to protect frontline teams, and it is working. Last year, our customers prevented more than 380,000 accidents with the help of Samsara. So what's next? I'm here to share brand new innovation to help you see risk, understand it, and reduce it. Listen, you can't manage risk you can't see. AI Multicam is where this comes to life for drivers via in-cab monitors and real-time AI alerts. And we're introducing two brand new detections, vehicle and blind spot and rear collision warning. These are designed for merging, turning, and backing up. Then there's bird's eye view. We built this because we know how hard it is for drivers to navigate crowded lots and tight spaces. With bird's eye view, drivers get a tops-down view of the entire vehicle, kind of like a drone flying over the truck. Now, visibility only gets you so far. To prevent accidents, you need to understand risk. Which drivers, which routes, which patterns of behavior are most dangerous? Take something organizations are doing every day to try to understand: driver ride-alongs. A supervisor hops in, they monitor, they give feedback. But let's be real, coaches are slammed, and drivers are on their best behavior because there's someone in the cab along with them. That's why we've introduced ride-alongs, AI that analyzes dash cam footage against our proprietary 22-factor Samsara safety assessment standard. No scheduling hoops to jump through, no observer effect, just clear recommendations for coaches and drivers. Let's zoom out and look at your whole fleet, not just one driver, but all of them. How do you know where the real risk is? While most tools only detect risk after an incident, our patented model analyzes thousands of crashes and over 45 risk factors to identify issues before they happen. This is Coaching Priority. It's a fleet-wide view into risk. Samsara data shows that risk is typically concentrated among a few drivers, and this tool identifies them early so you can intervene before incidents occur. By drilling into any driver's profile, you can see exactly why they're high risk. These insights help fleet safety leaders quickly know exactly where to focus their resources and coaching. And speaking of coaching, we all know how crucial that is. But you can't be in every cab every day. So we asked, what if you actually could? And we've reimagined the entire driver experience with AI with exactly that in mind. Here's how some of our customers are using it.
Good morning. Appreciate you being on the road with us today. I noticed one camera obstruction event this week. So today, make sure your camera stays clear so it can capture what's happening and help protect you if something comes up.
Before this driver even pulls out of the yard, AI checks in. Not only did he get guidance on how to prepare for the day ahead, he was also prompted to fix his camera. That's behavior change that you're looking for. See risk, understand it, reduce it. Everything that we showed here today is all about that ultimate goal. Because at the end of the day, getting your drivers home safe and reducing accidents is what it's all about.